Hi guys, this is Holly here, and I'm your personal resume writing coach. You may have heard of an ATS, or Applicant Tracking System. An ATS is a tool that hiring managers use to automatically scan large quantities of resumes, which are then ranked according to desired skills, previous job titles, and many other qualifying credentials. Many resumes are automatically rejected in this process. However, with these simple tips, you can certainly pass an ATS. Let's start with the basics. One of the most critical steps in passing the ATS is identifying a company's desired qualifications and listing them on your resume. The best place to start is a job description. Be sure to get your highlighter out. This employer has provided a goldmine of information and clearly lists their desired skills. Each of the highlighted skills should be on your resume. Notice the words organizational behavior, organizational performance, and organizational development. Although they are each very similar, be sure that all three words are incorporated on your resume. Also, this is not a time to get creative. If it says training methods, do not put training tools or teaching methods on your resume. Be sure to use the exact verbiage from the job description. Use traditional headings such as work experience and education, and stay away from those clever headings like where I've worked. Avoid acronyms. Write Chief Financial Officer instead of CFO. Also, never put information in a header or a footer. This information will not be readable by the ATS. Don't let graphics, photos, and unusual symbols tempt you. Remember, a robot will be reading this. Graphics will confuse the system and may automatically reject your resume. Lastly, when you're submitting your resume, be sure to submit it as a Word document. Yes, that's right, no PDF this time. Microsoft Word documents or plain text are most compatible with applicant tracking systems. Now you have some tools to get your resume in live hands. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And remember, a great interview gets you the job, but a great resume gets you the interview. See you next time.